I've missed you guys. What's going on? It's Boston Rob. I've been doing a lot of work here at the house. We got all the painting done. I'm really happy with the way it came out. We went with the universal gray and with the ultra pure white. So we got the registers back on. We got the face plates back on. And we just started putting some lighting in today. When I say we, I mean me. I don't know why I always say that, but I always do say we. These are LED lights. They're very cool looking too. I like them. Flooring is going to be next up, and we have to refinish the bathroom, the fiberglass. I'm going to do that with the kit. I'll show you guys how to do that, but the lighting is very cool. Went with the brushed nickel finish. Very cool. In the kitchen. Oh, bad lighting. Bad filming. My producing skills are off today. Anyway, Survivor tonight. I can't wait. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. That family visit last week was so awesome. It was so cool to be able to be out there with my kids, even if we were on the edge. Game's not over yet, guys. Hang in there. It's going to be a fun episode tonight, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.